Hi everyone, so today I'm feeling really excited to show you a breakfast recipe. This is inspired by Gordon Ramsy and he had used apples, so instead of that I'm using another set of fruits. This is a really appetizing and healthy breakfast which each of you can try at home. So let's get started. So let me show you what all you'll require for it. The first one is a set of fruits. So this is cut fruits. I've just cut them just now. This is papaya, this is pear, and this is kiwi. So you can use even apples, bananas, mangoes, whichever you like. Another important ingredient is butter. We'll also require some cinnamon powder, dalchini, some white sugar. This is sugar. I've grinded the sugar, so white sugar powder, and we require some eggs and a set of brown bread. So let's start. So my first step would be to take a pan, and in this I'm going to add some sugar. You can take 4 tablespoons of sugar. We are basically going to create sugar syrup. So this is the amount of sugar I've taken. In that I'll be adding some butter. So I'm taking this much of butter. And I'm going to make sugar syrup. I'm going to galvanize it. So you can see the butter is melting in the sugar. So now I'll add just 4 tablespoons of water. So that the syrup has a nice consistency. So we'll wait for 5 minutes for sugar to melt properly. So now you can see the sugar has a really good consistency, sugar syrup. So now we'll add these fruits into it. So I'm adding my fruits into the syrup. And I'm going to mix it properly. So basically we are galvanizing the fruits in the sugar syrup. And into that I'll add a pinch of cinnamon powder. If you don't like cinnamon, you can leave it. Dalchini, that is. It gives a nice sweet taste. Let it caramelize for a while, for around 2 to 3 minutes. Till then, we'll prepare our bread. So for the bread, I'm going to use eggs. So I'm using 4 eggs. In this, I'll add some milk. You can add it and you can mix it well. Mix it properly. So I think my sugar fruit mixture is ready. So I'm just going to close the knob. Now I'll heat my pan to start with the bread. I'm again going with this much of butter, like 2 tablespoons of butter. So basically the process is that I have to dip this mixture in the bread, just one side and then the other side. So the formula comes somewhere from the French toast to the extra batter you need to take it off, and then I will be putting it in the pan. So you can see how it has started caramelizing. We need to do this process for all the breads. So again I'll be dipping the bread, both the sides, and put it in the pan. So if you are vegetarian, you can just use milk and butter and a little bit of pinch of corn flour, and will not have that eggy taste. It will taste the same, as beautiful as it is. So now you can see that the bread is properly brown. So we need to make the color proper brown, and then only we'll be plating it. So as my bread is properly brown and fried properly, I'm going to start with it. So again my bread is perfectly brown. To plate it. And now on my beautiful set of bread, I'm going to this, just apply a fruit mixture with the syrup. And top it off with some sugar syrup. Moreover, to make it look even more beautiful, just add a pinch of sugar syrup. Just add a pinch of sugar powder, and it looks so beautiful. So this is my set of fruit, kind of a French toast, ready. So this is my recipe for today. Please do try this at home because this is very healthy. It's good for all age groups. And let me know how you like it. You can try it with other fruits as well, whichever is your favorite. This is so healthy for kids, for elders, everybody. So do try and let me know. Please subscribe my channel for more cool videos like these, and share this video so that more and more people can make this amazing dish, and hit the bell icon for more notification. Stay safe, stay healthy, and eat healthy.